नमस्कार, वेलकम टू UPSC OS A to Z। सो 2019 UPSC OS प्रिलिमिनारी क्वेश्चन पेपर 1 रो क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 जाए आम लास्ट वीडियो रे कवर कर सारे। जो मैंने भी देखी ना प्लेलिस्ट को जाकि कवर कर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 21। खालसा द सोसाइटी ऑफ प्योर वाज फाउंडेड इन ऑप्शंस आर 1605, 1627, 1699 एंड 1707। तो यार करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी 1699। द वर्ड खालसा मीन्स प्योर। In 1699, the Khalsa tradition was initiated by 10th Guru of Sikhism, Guru Gobind Singh Ji. During the Islamic Sharia rule of the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, the 10th Guru Gobind Singh Ji started the Khalsa tradition after his father Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. So next, Guru Nanak was the first Guru of Sikhism. So next jiba question number 22. The Maratha claim of revenue for protection is called. So option B is your correct answer, chauth. Chauth means 1/4 was the regular tax or tribute imposed by Maratha Empire in the Indian subcontinent from the early 18th century. Annual tax nominally levied at 25% on the revenue or produce. It was levied on the lands which were under the nominal Mughal rule. So here B is your correct answer. Next was Sardesh Mukhi. Sardesh Mukhi was an additional 10% levy on the top of the chauth. Next was question number 23 ku Bombay, now Mumbai, acquired by the English, originally belonged to the option A Portuguese, option B Dutch, option C Danes, option D French. The Bombay acquired by the English, originally belonged to Portuguese. First Bombay Portuguese man को पाखरे थिला. Then after English acquired Bombay when English King Charles II married Catherine of Braganza in 1661. Bombay was given as a dowry by Portuguese to the Charles II. So next jiba question number 24 को mercantilist, free trade, mercantile capitalism and finance imperialism are three successive phases of British colonialism. This theory was first formulated by whom? So options are Karl Marx, Dadabhai Naoroji, R.C. Dutt, B.R. Ambedkar. तो यार करेक्ट आंसर है Karl Marx. Mercantilist or free trade, mercantile capitalism and finance imperialism are three successive phases of British colonialism formulated by Karl Marx. Mercantilism was an economic policy that was designed to maximize export and minimize imports for the economy. So Adam Smith was an economist. His book The Wealth of Nations was an attack on the mercantilism. So next jiba question number 25 ku the main reason for the peasants to join the 1857 revolt was, options are inordinately high revenue demands. Yes, the revenue policies not only uprooted the ordinary peasants but also destroyed the gentry of the country. Yes, handicraft को damage कर दिला. So beneficiaries of the new revenue policies were also not satisfied. Yes, option D all of this. So all option D is your correct answer. 1857 जाको आमे सिपोई म्यूटेनी बोली कहूचे सेटा मीरट रे स्टार्ट हेतला. तार मेनली तीनोटी कॉज थिला, गोटे पॉलिटिकल, इकोनॉमिक एंड मिलिटरी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. पॉलिटिकल रीजन एटा थिला कि नाना साहेब एंड दोंदू पॉइंट रिफ्यूज टू पेंशन because they were adopted son of Peshwas Bajirao II. So ସେମାନେ पेंशन को मना कर देते. एटा पॉलिटिकल रीजन थिला. इकोनॉमिक थिला हेवी टैक्सेशन एंड टैरिफ पॉलिसी, डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ हैंडीक्राफ्ट, ये सब इकोनॉमिक रीजन थिला. मिलिटरी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन थिला. लो सैलरी दिया जाउतला सोल्जर्स मानन को. देयर वाज नो प्रमोशन above the rank of Subedar for Indians and they were racially discriminated. So next question number 26 को the only major industry in the hands of Indian capitalists during the late 19th century was? Options are cotton, textile, jute, iron and steel. None of these. So correct answer is option A, cotton, textile. So next question number 27. The All India Women's Conference AIWC was started in 1927 to promote women's education, increase women's shares in the legislature, enhance women's empowerment, campaign of women's voting rights. The option A is your correct answer, promote women's education. All India Women's Conference is a non-governmental organization based in Delhi and founded by Margaret Curzon in 1927 to improve the educational efforts for women and children, and has expanded its scope to also tackle the women's right issues. So Maharani Chimnabai was the president, and Amrit Kaur was one of the founding members of AIWC, and Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay was one of the past secretaries of AIWC. So next we have question number 28 ku, who among the following was not included in INA trial held in the Red Fort, Delhi in 1945 to 46? G.S. Dhillon, Prem Sehgal, Mohan Singh and Shah Nawaz Khan. So option C is your correct answer. Mohan Singh INA trial रे नथिले. G.S. Dhillon, Prem Sehgal and Shah Nawaz Khan was there in the INA trial held in the Red Fort, Delhi. And so Mohan Singh was the commander of INA in Singapore. So next we have question number 29. The theory of central places was propounded by W. Chittister, A. Weber, von Thunen, Israel. तो यार करेक्ट आंसर है W. Chittister, or the theory of central place is a geographical theory introduced in 1933. It was first analyzed by German geographer Walter Chittister, and the central places provide services to the surrounding areas. So next question number 30. Who is credited to have discovered the West Indies? Options are Captain Cook, John Cabot, Henry Hudson and Columbus. So option D is your correct answer. Christopher Columbus first discovered West Indies. West Indies is a sub-region of North America surrounded by the Caribbean Sea and North Atlantic Ocean. So next we have question number 31. In which of the following geographical period the volcanic lava flow took place in Deccan Plateau of India? So option B is your correct answer. Cretaceous period between 67 and 66 million years ago अपन Cretaceous period थिला. The Deccan Plateau is a large plateau in the southern and western India. So next we have question number 32. The Black Forest mountain is an example of. So यार correct answer है option B, Black Mountain. Black Forest mountain is located in the Sauerberg range in the Alberta in Germany. Block mountain means vertical fracture. It look like huge block. So it is bounded by Black Forest mountain is bounded by Rhine Valley to the west and south. So next we have question number 33. Which of the following oceans has highest average salinity? Options are Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. So यार correct answer है option C, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean has the highest average salinity. Next question number 34. Which of the following ocean currents is also known as the Pacific weather current? Options are El Nino, Benguela, Kuroshio, Agulhas. तो यार करेक्ट आंसर है एल नीनो. एल नीनो is associated with a band of warm ocean water that develops in the central and the east central equatorial Pacific. It accompanied by low air pressure in the eastern Pacific and high air pressure in the western Pacific. La Nino is the cool phase of El Nino South Oscillation. So next we have question number 35. In which of the following atmospheric layer ozone gas is concentrated? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere. So your correct answer is stratosphere. There are 5 layers in the atmosphere. One is troposphere, where all weather phenomenon occur. Then stratosphere, where ozone layer is found. Then mesosphere, thermosphere or ionosphere, electrically charged particles are found there. Exosphere, made up of helium and hydrogen. So next is question number 36. Which type of farming is prevalent in the South Bengal of India? Options are wet farming, dry farming, trough farming, ladang farming. So option C, trough farming is the correct answer. Trough farming is the practice of growing one or more vegetable crops on a large scale for shipment of distance market. Next question number 37. Which of the following is the greatest shipping canal of the world? Options are Panama Canal, Suez Canal, Suez Canal and Coal Canal. So option C is your correct answer. Suez Canal is in Egypt, connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea through the Isthmus of Suez and divide Asia and Africa. Suez Canal divide Asia and Africa. Panama Canal connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean, and Suez Canal connects the two ship canals linking lakes Superior and Huron. So next is question number 38. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? So option D is the correct answer. Birmingham is famous for metal work or wool work. Birmingham is not famous for the shipbuilding. Then Johannesburg is famous for gold mining. Yes. Magnitogorsk is famous for iron and steel, and Detroit is famous for automobiles. Seivali next question को जिबा question number 39. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Boston's of East Ahmedabad, so capital of cotton textile Mumbai. Manchester of India is not Agra. Manchester of India is Ahmedabad, which is situated in Gujarat. So next by electronic city is Bangalore. This is also correct. So it purchase which of the following is not correctly matched. So option C is your correct answer. Manchester of India is not Agra. It is Ahmedabad. So question number 40. Which of the following Indian states has the greatest number of sugar mills? Options are Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan. So option B is your correct answer. UP has highest number of sugar mills. Sugar producing country in the world रे रैंक 1 रे अच्छी आपणकर ब्राजिल. तो सेकेंड रैंक रे महाराष्ट्र अच्छी सुगर मिल पाई. फास्ट आपणकर अच्छी यूपी. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आम नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे कवर करबा. थैंक यू.